Good morning, student. Today is the subject accountancy. We will learn fourth chapter, general. Today's topic, I will solve the back question 4. You know the pro forma of general. At the top of the name of trader who prepare the general. Then first column date. In this column the date, the transactions should be written. Then second column particular. In this column the general entries to made. The account debit and credit. Firstly to be debited account and after then credited account. Then the end of the entries, general entries, short descriptions, that is called narration. Third column LF. In this column the page number of ledger. Fourth, debit amount. In this column the amount of the account to be debited, and the fifth column credit amount. In this column the amount of account to be credited. Okay, let me start the back question 4. Generalize the following transactions in the book of Himanshu. First, December 1, business started with cash 75,000. Second, 7th December, purchase goods for cash 10,000. Third, 9th December, sold goods to Swati 5,000. Then 12th December, purchase furniture. Then next, 18th December, cash received from Swati in full settlement. Then next, 25th December, paid rent 1,000. Then last 13th December, paid salary 1,500. Okay, let me start. First December, started business with cash. Started business with cash. In this transactions, it is clearly the trader started business with cash, investing the business. It is this transactions impact two accounts. First, cash account, and then second, proprietor account. But proprietor account is not opened because it is representing the open accounts. In this circumstance, proprietor's account, capital account is opened. यहाँ पर हम प्रोपाइटर का व्यक्तिगत खाता ना खोलकर उसका रिप्रेजेंट करने वाला अकाउंट, कैपिटल अकाउंट खोलते हैं. सो दिस ट्रांजेक्शंस, टू अकाउंट्स इम्पैक्ट कैश अकाउंट एंड कैपिटल अकाउंट. कैश इज़ अ पर्सनल अकाउंट, कैश इज़ अ रियल अकाउंट एंड कैपिटल अकाउंट इज़ ए पर्सनल अकाउंट. रियल अकाउंट, द रूल ऑफ रियल अकाउंट, व्हाट कम्स टू द बिजनेस इज डेबिट. सो कैश अकाउंट इज डेबिट. Capital is a personal account. The receiver is debit and a giver is a credit. Here the proprietor has been given cash to the business but invested of proprietor personal account. So capital account is credit because which is representing him. Cash account debit to capital account. Short description, started business with cash. Then second, goods purchase for cash. Goods purchase for cash, first cash account and then second purchase account. Purchase and goods account both are related. Real account, the rule of real account, what comes to the business debit, what goes out credit. So the cash is comes business and the goods is coming to business and the cash is goes out to the business. The transaction of this question, the general of this question, purchase account debit to cash account. Then next, being goods sold to Swati, first Swati and second sales account. Swati is a personal account and sales account is a real account. Personal account rules, the receiver is a debit, so Swati is a debit. Real account rules, what comes to the business is debit and what goes out credit. तो सेल्स के जरिए जो है गोज आउट होता है गुड्स, तो स्वाति डेबिट टू सेल्स अकाउंट. द शॉर्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस ट्रांजेक्शंस बीइंग गुड्स सोल्ड टू स्वाति. देन 12th December being a furniture purchased, first purchase furniture account and second cash account. Furniture account and cash account is both of account is real account. The rule of real account, what comes to the business is debit and what goes out to business credit. So furniture account is debit to cash account. Then 18th December, the cash received for Swati full settlement. स्वाति से लेना था 5000 लेकिन फुल सेटलमेंट में मिला 4000, तो कैश अकाउंट इज 4000, डिस्काउंट अकाउंट 1000 टू स्वाति 5000. देन नेक्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शंस 25th December, rent paid. Rent is a nominal account and a second cash account. Nominal, the rule of nominal account, expenses is a debit, rent account debit to cash account. Then 13th December, paid salary, first salary account, then second cash account. Salary is a nominal account and the cash account is a real account. Nominal account rules, the rules of nominal account, expenses is a debit, so salary account is debit to cash account. Okay, see the general entries. Question number 4. Question number 3rd, first cash account debit to capital account, being business started with cash short descriptions 1st December. Then 7th December, purchase account debit to cash account 10,000 being goods purchased for cash. 9th December, being goods sold to Swati debit to sales account 5,000. Then next 12th December, furniture purchase, furniture account debit to cash account. Then 18th December, being received, cash received from Swati full settlement, 5 लेना था 4 मिला तो 1000 डिस्काउंट हो गया. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू स्वाति. देन नेक्स्ट 25th December and 13th December, rent paid, rent account debit to cash account. Then 13th December, salary account debit to cash account. Okay, once again 1st December का जो आपका पंजी बनेगा, जनरल बनेगा, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल अकाउंट, स्टार्टेड बिजनेस विथ कैश. देन 7th December, परचेज गुड्स फॉर कैश, व्हाट कम्स गुड्स, व्हाट गोज कैश, परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. देन 9th December, गुड्स सोल्ड टू स्वाति, द रिसीवर इज स्वाति, व्हाट गोज आउट टू द बिजनेस, goods Swati debit to sales account. Purchase furniture, first furniture account and second cash account. What comes to the business furniture, what goes out cash. So the general entry of this transactions, furniture account debit to cash account. अब फुल सेटलमेंट में स्वाति से लेना था क्योंकि हमने स्वाति को सोल्ड किया था 5000 का लेकिन मिला 4000. सो द जनरल एंट्री ऑफ दिस डेट ट्रांजेक्शंस, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 4000, डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट 1000 टू स्वाति 5000. रेंट पेड, रेंट सैलरी, एनी एक्सपेंसेस पेड, एक्सपेंसेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट. रेंट पेड, रेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. salaries paid, salaries account debit to cash. Okay, thank you.